In preparing the land, the first step is clearing. Okay, what what we are going today is
What? What are you saying? What are you trying to say?
what we are doing now is clearing the land.
Clearing the land.
Potorin the mga kahoy.
The woods.
Cutting the woods,
The woods.
collecting grasses, all stables, and other foreign materials.
Materials. O materials.
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 Of course, me.
So, dapat first introducing
This is Jula Pearl Sabith as the panda. And this is just a Balading
balanding.
as the collector of
Woods.
ako na. We should have first siyempre akong cameraman, dapat akong pinakula, di ba?
Pagyan mo kasi yung balay.
Pag may natatanong.
Excited. Tagalo, na.
We, haluwag ang tingin.